Hi friends, thank you so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Alyssa. Today we're going to be making this super simple loaded pocket tag, and I made mine in a fall theme since Thanksgiving is upon us. I thought I would make a few as like little gratitude gifts, but you can make this in whatever kind of theme you'd like, whatever holiday you celebrate. I think they are so cute. So you can see I have some leaves here and a leaf here. This was pretty much just for extra decoration, but we have two pockets. So this one on the front I thought was perfect for something smaller. So I just made my own little tea bag, but you can put real tea inside or something like that, or even just a smaller little journaling card or stickers or anything of that sort. And then we just have another pocket here. So I just have, hey there, pumpkin, and another pumpkin that you could write inside. How cute is this paper too with the little hedgehogs? And then there is a pocket here on the side. So I just stuck this journaling card in there with the turkey. And you can see that I put some trim here at the top as well. And you can turn it over to the back and we have the same thing on the back. So I just put a smaller little pocket here. It's just a little slit, and I put a gift card in there, some more tea, a little journaling card, or you could put a small photo in there. And this is what the tag looks like pretty much. So great for storing some little gifts or small journaling cards, things like that. You could even just insert this into a journal if you wanted to. So go ahead and grab some paper and we can create one together. Today I'm going to be using the Golden Hour paper pad by Park Lane, and I did use it for my first tag that I just showed you, as you can see there. But this is going to be really easy, really simple. So we're just going to grab an 8x8 paper, and you just want to hold it. These are double-sided papers. So you just want to hold it with your print going the way that you want it to go, if you have a directional print. And we're going to start at this 8-inch side and just score right down the middle at 4. So my little squirrels here are going the way that I want them to go. And then I'm going to rotate my paper to this 8-inch side, and I'm going to score at 2.5. And this score is pretty much going to be the pocket, so you can really do it wherever you want. But I like the 2.5 inch there, so I'm going to score there. And so you pretty much just get a score line going down the middle and then the score line here for your pocket. So I'll just fold that up. And then I'm going to fold this in half where we scored. And you could even just keep this as a little booklet or something like that, but we're going to just glue that up to have a side pocket here, and we'll have a pocket here and in the back. Now, before I glue everything down, I am just going to open this up, and I'm just going to cut some slits onto my two separate pockets here. It's kind of hard to see. Maybe the squirrel side is better. But I'm pretty much just going to use my paper trimmer to cut some little slits, and I'm just going to eyeball those. So I'm going to move this down. We're just going to focus on the pocket section, of course. So the score line here is at 2.5. So I'm just going to move it down to like 1.25. And then I'm just going to do a little slit in this pocket and then in this pocket as well. And again, I'm just eyeballing it. You can make it as big or as small as you would like, but it just adds an extra little pocket for your tag. And it's just something a little bit different. So I'm going to turn it back this way and fold my pockets up. So you can see now I have my slit here and one right here. And then we can go ahead and just glue down the two sides. And bring those up. And obviously with the slits that you make, they're not going past the score line here or the edge here. But just want to point that out. All right, and then I'm just going to fold this back in half. And this doesn't even need to be tag shaped, but I like tags. So I'm just going to cut out one of the corners here. And then I'm just going to flip it over and use it as a guide to cut out my other corner. And then I'm just going to open this up and glue this shut at the top there and at the bottom, leaving this open because I do want a side pocket as well. And actually, before you glue this down, if you wanted to, you could just take your trim, if you wanted to use some trim or ribbon or something like that, and you can glue it onto the inside first. So I'll pop some glue there, and then I'll kind of just fold this piece in half and place it there. And then you can close up the whole tag. Like that, so you still get the little tassel here. Or you could always just poke a hole as well and tie a ribbon through or something else that way, but in case you just don't want any of that showing, you could just glue your trim right on the inside. And that's pretty much it. Now you can fill it up. So let me just move my stuff out of the way here. So for this one, I went ahead and created another little faux tea bag, cinnamon spice. And I'm just gonna stick that into this little slit here that we created. It's just such a cute little tuck spot for something smaller. And then I'm just gonna grab some of my other inserts from my other tag pocket for now, but you could put like a small little greeting card inside or just a little note card, and you can write what you're thankful for or how much you appreciate somebody if you're going to give this to someone. I have a little 4x4 journaling card with a cute pumpkin there, and that's just going to go into my side pocket. So you could stick a 4x4 photo in here. And I think this one does go in all the way. Whoops, this is not completely dry, but I'm just going to have it poking out just a little bit there. And then we've got the back too, which again, I'll just stick the same kind of things in there, like some tea, a gift card, this little journaling card. And you could stick cash in here as well if you wanted to. You might just have to fold it up or something like that, fold it in half, or you could just make your tag a little bit taller. This is not drying completely, but I just want to show you that you can totally load this up and decorate it to your heart's desire. This time I think I'll just use maybe some of these Dollar Tree stickers. So here's some pie. This little sticker says cozy, if you can see that. I can barely even see it, but let's stick that over here. And I think that's going to be it for this little tag pocket. By the way, I do have a video too on how I make these faux tea bags. In case you're interested, I will link that down below. But I hope that you guys have enjoyed this super quick and easy little project before Thanksgiving. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving if you celebrate. You know how thankful and grateful I am for each and every one of you. So I will see you all after the holiday, and until then, happy crafting, huge hugs, and happy Thanksgiving!